Another great stop in Miami's design district is Micheal's Genuine Food and Drink. It's exactly what the name implies, genuinely good. The vibe is casual, warm, and welcoming. The food is unfussy and delicious, my kind of place. Today, Bradley is cooking crispy, sweet and spicy pork belly with kimchi and crushed peanuts. Many years ago, during a trip to Taiwan, I was introduced to pork belly. I don't think I liked it.
So we have some pork belly over there.
Did you know the pork belly, we marinated it with kimchi base, which is like chilies and garlic, and we slow cook it for about 8 hours so it's tender.
Gotcha.
Then we press it, and then we cool it down so it's just nice homogeneous slopes. And then we're able to cut perfect squares out of it so that when we deep fry it crispy, the middle will be nice and gooey and gelatinous.
What I'm looking at right now is that sauce. Tell me about it.
So the sauce, we take some of the kimchi base, which was the marinade, and honey, clover honey, and we just mix the two.
I see.
We made like a lighter version of a pork and kimchi dish, because the normal ones, they're pretty funky fermented, and this is more of a lighter approach. Miami, it's hot. The kimchi is nice and light, right? Not too stinky.
So this restaurant has been open for 15 years. That's a long time. Is this one of the first dishes you have on your menu?
Wasn't one of the first, but once it hit, it stayed on forever. Yeah.
All right, let's get into it. Let's start with the sauce.
Okay, so for the sauce, we're gonna take the kimchi base.
And that's the same stuff that's marinated in the vegetables?
Yeah, exactly.
All right.
A good workhorse sauce. And it's straight up honey.
Beautiful. That sweet taste to it.
And then we just mix it until the whole thing's homogeneous, incorporated. So this is a really technical, super technical, years to teach me.
Oh gee, I don't know if I could do that myself. Beautiful. So it's been pre-cooked already, and we're just getting that nice crispy texture on the outside.
Super crispy, yeah. And also it renders some of the fat, so it's not too bad, So the pork belly is nice and crispy, you can see.
Golden brown.
Golden brown.
How we like it. So now you're gonna plate it. Tell me about it.
You can see all the layers, right? There's a meat, fat. That's what we like about pork belly, is the balance, like 50% fat, but there's enough meat to where it doesn't feel like it's all fat.
In Miami, I'm sure they're familiar with it. So maybe less so the Korean barbecue.
Maybe less. So a little bit of the kimchi, some of the kimchi glaze that we made that we're just gonna drizzle over the top.
Oh yeah. Heavy-handed with that, I like it.
Yeah, you gotta have a little bit of the sweet and salt.
A little crunch to it, why not?
There's your crunch. And then some scallions and cilantro to brighten it up and give you that herbation.
Okay, I think it's time to dig in, right?
Get some.
So tell me, chef, am I gonna go pork belly and kimchi in one bite? Is that the way to do it?
Yeah, that way you get the balance and the sweet and spicy of the pork belly and the refreshing kimchi. It'll balance itself out.
Beautiful.
Whoa.
Gooey to it. Gooey gelatinous, like you said, inside, and crunchy on the outside. And that kick of spice from the kimchi finishes right off. That's a great dish, chef.
Great, thank you.
It's a great combination. It just works, chef. I don't know what to tell you, but I'll definitely be eating here sometimes.
Awesome.